खो गया
है तुझको तो प्यार सजना, लाख कर ले तू इनकार सजना।
So, अब मम्मी को तो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर नहीं पाई मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, but let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm creating custom keyboard shortcuts. Basically, the purpose of custom keyboard shortcuts is to create personalized shortcuts for frequently using commands and actions. So let me tell you how you can create them. For that, we'll first go to settings. Then we will go to typing settings. In typing settings, go to advanced keyboard settings. Here, you can watch this option input language hotkeys. Now, from the change key sequence, you can change the sequence of key or you can create your own personalized shortcuts according to your choice.